Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm Sanjeev Mathur from VC Media, and we are here to cover the Energy Week, which is being held at Yashro Bhumi. So we have with us Mr. Kunal Gupta, who is the director with United Drilling Tools Limited. And we would request him to give his opinion, his suggestions, and his viewpoints about the organization and about the Make in India that has been sponsored by Modi ji and his cabinet. And over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mataji. We are a 30-year-old company. We have been into manufacturing of these specialized large OD casing pipes with multi-start connectors. Other than that, we manufacture stabilizers for drilling operations in artificial gas lift valves and mandrels, and we do wireline winches. So our journey has been that our company was founded by our chairman, Shri Pramod Kumar Gupta ji, and he was initially in the US, where he at that time for Bombay High they wanted people who were there in US to bring that technology, develop in India and manufacture in India. So in that he came from the US, set up the company, and one thing led to another. So we developed all of these products in India, and now we are almost 80 to 100% indigenous. So before we had gotten these products in India, ONGC used to import that at almost double or triple cost. So which Forex has gotten saved after we developed these products in India. Other than that, quality has always been one of the major mottos in life. So we have 5 API certifications and ISO 9000, 14000 and 45000. So now the primary products that we sell is in this, which we have showcased in IEW 2025, is the casing pipe and connectors. These are primarily for conductor and surface casings. These are the outer parts of the well, which first they will have to drill for 30 inch and 20 inch, and then lower sizes they will go. So this is the initial body of the well which is made, and these connections we manufacture in India. It helped save a lot of the rig time for both Oil India and ONGC. As a matter of fact, recently we did a case study for Oil India where they used to use threaded pipes, and it used to take them around 10 to 12 hours to run 250 meters of pipe.
Okay.
And when we supplied this UTT Leopard connector with the pipe, they were able to do it in 3 hours, which reduced their overall drilling rig cost, manpower cost, services cost by to 1/3 of the cost which was there, which is a tremendous save.
Yes.
So this is what we try our level best to achieve, is how to provide solutions to our customers where we work with them, understand their problems, and try to ensure that in quality and in service they achieve their goals, whatever they can.
That's super.
For now, another case is winches. So we are the only manufacturers who manufacture truck mounted winches with crane. So we were given an opportunity by ONGC to supply initially in Ankleshwar this particular unit, and we got a feedback in 6 months they have recovered the cost of that particular unit, and it was still working perfectly fine. So the first unit we supplied was around 6-7 years ago, and till date it is working perfectly fine. So that is what we try our level best for any of our customers to help solve the problems which they get on a day-to-day basis per se. So other than that, we keep on developing new products. We have, as a company, we are a listed company, and we have 26 patents which are registered with us. We have 31 trademarks which is registered with us. We were, we were acknowledged by Patent Authority of India, and we were called to meet Piyush Goyal ji on Republic Day also. So we try to develop new products in India, try to do make in India the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. What I see future for oil and gas is it is going to increase definitely with the population which is increasing and the demand is increasing. India only produces 17% of their requirement, and I know that the government of India is trying their level best to increase that, and we appreciate all the help and support which is being provided by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. But still, there is a long way to go to increase to 23%.
That's a humongous task.
That's
to be
humongous.
honest.
Yes. So, and we are there as support systems to provide them quality product at reasonable prices, which is there. Other than that, so the demand is going to increase of oil and gas, and more productions and more, drilling activity will be seen. So I think overall, for Indian manufacturers, it's a great scope to see what best product they can provide with quality, and they should come and try to do as much make in India they can.
Right, very true, very true. But then to be very honest, now this activity that you are into, now how many of them will actually, go for it?
No, people are there.
Competition may be there, but then I think there are very few players who can actually deliver that what is being expected.
It takes time. See, for anything, it will take always time to develop.
Right.
We do also face a lot of hurdles which are there, but that is part of life.
So that is it.
Yes.
Changing material, changing moods, changing the technology, and the way the technology is moving towards it. Yes, your products needs to be done accordingly.
I feel there should be more sessions, which is a suggestion is there, where we can get to sit with the actual users, and they should and get to know what exactly how we can come and forward and help them out. I know ONGC tries and have vendor meets, which is there. Oil India also does that, but there are so many other smaller players who have come. There is no IEW is one of such platforms where we get to meet, but I think there should be more platforms where maybe the ministry or DGH of people can call forward, even if it is online.
Right.
To understand what is the needs of the people in India, what is the problems with the operators are having, and I know Indians are such where there is adversity, we will come forward and overcome that adversity always. So that is my take on how we should proceed further.
Right. So the people who are seeing this channel, they can very well take it and understand as to what needs to go where, and then contribute towards giving their inputs and suggestions, and to make it a success as we go along in life.
And another thing I would like to say is that I heard this quote somewhere else, that it is better to collaborate than to compete. So if what I saw with what Nitin Gadkari ji did with the roadways, that he would, if there is a highway which needs to be made, he will break it up and then he will provide it.
Correct.
So where there is new technologies or new requirements or anything, I think all of us should pitch in together and try to, break it up and try to see that how we all can proceed further.
Certainly. That's it.
And collaborate. Yes.
So collaboration and then decision making, support is all that we need to work together to bring about a better India to stay. On behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
And we wish you that your vision, mission, they are all complete it as soon as possible. And
Thank you.
a lot of success to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.